Oh baby, we're about to hit that take profit. You already know, even though we hit all of these take profits right here, I told you guys we shall see this tank all the way to the support level. And sure enough, this scalping strategy does work on the 1 minute time frame. This is a very simple strategy and I think everybody should use it. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we're looking at the US 30 on a 1 minute chart. I do believe we shall be tanking down to this support level and I'm going to let you guys know exactly why. As you can see here, we are making new lower lows. If we are predicting that price rejected off of this area right here, we also had a sell signal right here. Plus, we had a sell on the trend meter. As you can see here, this is live right now. This is not a replay. We did enter this sell on this specific red candle. So right now we are facing absolutely no drawdown. And the reason why we waited until this entry here is because, as you can see, we rejected this area here on the resistance. We had a sell signal, and then we're also red on the trend meter. We broke down this is a support level. If we mark this out right here and also right here where it got wicked, we see a lot of rejection. And if we go like this, boom, right here, you can see that this support was created and right now we just broke under. We tried to retest this area right here, and as you can see this, while I'm literally talking about this, we are tanking. And if we turn on the trusted signals trend status, and this is going to show us the take profits for this specific chart, I do believe we shall see it come down to this support level. This is a live trade. This is a live demonstration on why trusted signals is so important, especially with my support and resistance strategy. This is very simple trading method. Wait for it to break under this previous area. We had a retest and you could have entered on any of these candles and you would have literally zero drawdown. If we look at the hourly as well, we should see this actually come back down. Let's go ahead and see exactly what we can get to. And let's actually go ahead and draw up this short position. And keep in mind, I'm doing all this live. The dynamic take profit says 36,274. As you can see here, that first take profit has already been smashed. The second take profit was around 270 and 265. You can see this. We already hit all of these take profits. And if you look at this entry on this specific opening candle, I would bring this all the way actually down here to hit this support line. But as you can see, we are already in complete profit, zero drawdown from this trade. We are well below this take profit 3 on the dynamic take profit. So guys, trusted signals can very, very well help you out. And it does help with scalping as well. The settings that we're currently on, we are actually on the V2 and scalp settings. So these are very, very strong signals. And if you're using them appropriately, you can avoid a lot of different things here. Okay, so for example, this buy signal, even though we are in a buy, this buy was long overdue. We also had a sell signal here. This sell signal, however, would have been a great sell to enter. As you can see here, we came back down to around this wick, so I would have definitely taken my profits around this area. All we had to do is be patient enough for trusted signals to play out. And as you can see here, we're making a new lower low. We shall see this come and actually reject this blue line once more time and boom, tank all the way back down to this level right here.
3 hours later.
What's going on, guys? So it's been a few hours after we went ahead and entered this sell. And as you can see here, we did not only almost meet our target once, but we did hit our target here. And guess where this re-entry was? This is why I say trusted signals is very powerful. And if you're using it with the appropriate strategies, this will no doubt in my mind turn you into a different beast. So as you can see here, we drew this line around this end, and where did price move? Boom. Guess what? A re-entry for another sell all the way down to this support level. So as you can see here, red is resistance, blue is support. We came back down, boom, retested this area, made a resistance, shot back down, and we targeted this support. So there you have it, guys. This is a beautiful trade. And if you look at where trusted signals is right now and the current trade on the sell, we have already surpassed our take profit 3 levels. So this is a very, very profitable tool. And if you do not have this in your arsenal with your strategy, then you were seriously asleep at the wheel, and potentially you were missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars in this market. So stay tuned into my next video. Make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button, because we need 100 more likes on this video in order for me to come back. And this is gonna be every single time. So do not miss out on this opportunity to get trusted signals on sale right now, because it's a beautiful indicator and can help you trade. All right, guys, until the next video, for real this time, I'm out. Peace.